Merry Christmas, everybody, from GRACIEJO 2024. We're just about to go for our walk. Hope everybody's having a good day. Look at her. Oh boy. Well, here's our tree. It is 52 degrees right now outside. And away we go. We're ready for our Christmas walk. Look at GRACIEJO's hat. She's wearing it upside down. Gracie, what happened? Should we fix that for you? Yeah, you're kind of goofy.
It's goofy with it on me.
Okay.
Either way. Come on.
Somebody's decorated their garage door. How cool is that? Hi, Santa. Oh, he got a bag of coal.
Oh, it's a present for you.
Thank you.
Sausage.
Thank you. Look who we just saw. It's Sapphire, Gracie's friend. Whoop. She is a beautiful husky. Hi, Sapphire. Merry Christmas. Hello. Gracie likes to sniff.
Probably take that hat off. It's not going to stay in position. Okay.
Run, run, run. We do have some water areas in our community. This area here reminds me of New Hampshire with all the trees and so pretty. You have to be careful of snakes and alligators though. And there's absolutely no fishing. Look at how beautiful those trees are over there.
Since we have a
Oh,
dog, so we got
look.
some good stuff.
Felipe has something for you.
Oh, you got
Okay, you have to sit pretty.
You got a pepperoni.
Sit pretty, Gracie.
Oh, right, that lady is a good puppy.
See,
Yeah, she's
tell her to
sitting
sit
now.
pretty.
She's sitting now.
Gracie, sit.
She's sitting
Pretty?
now. She's sitting now.
And we are back home. So now we have to go and get into the truck and deliver some more Christmas cards throughout the community. Here's my mother-in-law's Christmas tree. Okay, let's take a ride. We are at the parade in our community, and it's the golf cart parade. That's GRACIEJO and Glen. And here we go.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Hi, Santa.
Oh, oh, oh.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
That qualifies as a golf cart. There's Snoopy. Gracie, look, Snoop Dogg.
Hi.
Aww, they're out. Merry Christmas. Hi.
Hi.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Such a good dog.
Thank you.
Go Steelers.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
This way to
Oh yeah. Merry Christmas. Nice. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hold her, hold her.
Merry Christmas.
Joe, you look beautiful. Oh, Merry Christmas, you guys.
Hey, it's a snowman. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I like the elf. It's my favorite.
Santa's home.
Oh, look at that. That's beautiful.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, look at Teddy Bear. Merry Christmas. Ooh, the ice castle.
Woo!
Christmas.
Beautiful.
Merry Christmas. Yeah, she does.
Oh, look at the puppy. Merry
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Hi, how are you, Mike?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Man, very nice. Call me. Hey, I was gonna call you this morning, and I was okay.
Merry Christmas.
Hi.
Merry Christmas. Oh, look, Gracie. Hello, Merry Christmas.
Oh, puppies.
Just out in the garden, Gracie.
Merry
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas.
Oh, Merry Christmas, puppy.
Merry Christmas.
Hi. Merry Christmas.
Oh, a trailer. Look at that one. Gracie, look, Santa Claus. Merry Christmas. Oh,
Hi. Hi, Santa. Hi, Mrs. Claus.
that was cool.
Hi. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. What a fun night. We just watched the golf cart parade, and now we're going home. Tomorrow, Saturday, it's going to be in the 30s, so they say.